Alright guys, what is up? For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start a YouTube live stream because I had a question about that in one of my videos, so I figured I'd just post a video to let everyone know. So what you're going to do, you're going to open up YouTube and then come on over here to create and then click go live. So the streaming service I use is OBS, and that's down here. So when you come in here, it's going to pop up and say new stream. You create a title, say tutorial for this, I guess. Make it public or unlisted, you could do all that. And you can add a description, add a gaming title, or like change the like how to and style there. So you click schedule for later. You can select a date, and you can select a time, and then you'll just have to set a reminder to come back at that time. There's a way you can do it where it automatically starts the stream at that time, but I'm not exactly sure how to do that. And you can check no, it's not made for kids and everything. But let's turn off schedule for later, and I'll just say create stream. So, and you can add a thumbnail and everything. If you click edit, there's thumbnail right there. But yeah, so we have this ready. Now you see down here there's a stream key, and you can click copy on that, or like click this little eye and it will actually show you the thing. But then you copy it, come to settings in OBS and stream, and you want to make sure your stream service is set to YouTube or YouTube Gaming, and then the server primary YouTube ingest. You want to delete this stream key and put in the new one and click apply, then OK, and then you want to go ahead and click start streaming on OBS. Then you will give it a few seconds, and after waiting a few seconds it should pop up and say go live, or the go live button should turn blue up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so you see it says go live. You can go ahead and click that, and it says going live, and you are now live. And then that's pretty much it. You can add a little delay here, which you should do before the stream. And then when you want to end the stream, first end in OBS, because if you end it here it may cut off some of the video. So you want to end it in OBS, and then once that video up in this corner starts doing the little loading thing, then you know your stream has ended, and then you are clear to click end stream up here and end. And there you guys have it. That is how you do a YouTube live stream. If you have any more questions, make sure to let me know. I hope I covered everything, and yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.